Good morning, boys and girls, or afternoon or evening, or wherever it is that you're viewing this video. Welcome to the first video homework session for you in Year 3. I hope you find these enjoyable and educational as well. Remember, I'm always going to be checking to see if you watch your videos and do your homework. Alright, this is the first video for this term, and it's all about how to tell the difference between living and non-living. Okay, so as we look around the world which we live, we are constantly identifying the things that we see. Okay, so trees, flowers, dog down there on the grass, horses over in the paddock, tree, the fence, the house. Okay, and we're constantly categorizing them in our brain into things that are living and non-living. Like the tree, the flower and the horse, they are living things. But the fence, the barn and the house are not. Okay, but is there more to it? Is classification more than just looking at things and deciding if they're alive or not? Well, scientists agree that life on Earth generally have the same characteristics. Living things are made up of cells, like skin cells or white blood cells or plant cells. And living things can grow and reproduce, and they can absorb or digest energy. Living things can respond to the environment as well, like a flower that opens up to the sun in the morning and then closes as the sun goes down in the evening. We classify living things into groups to make sense of the world around us. This is exactly what being a scientist is all about, making sense of the world. Okay, a living thing can be grouped by carefully examining its features and then grouping it accordingly with similar specimens. Before we can do this, however, we first need to discover if the thing that we're looking at is a plant or an animal. Plants can be identified as organisms that use the energy of the sun to make their own energy through photosynthesis. After that, plants can then be sorted into smaller groups based on how and where they grow and how they can reproduce. Animals, on the other hand, cannot make their own energy. They have to eat things to survive. Animals, like plants, also have the ability to reproduce, but unlike plants, animals can run, climb, slither or fly from place to place, all by themselves. Scientists can sort all animals into groups based on their body structure and their observable features. And that is something that we are going to be able to do soon too. Okay kids, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed your first video, and make sure that you watch it again and again and again until you understand everything that I have said, because I'll be checking. See you later.